So let's see how to use this app Wi-Fi Master Key by wifi.com. After installation, open the application. Make sure you go through the user guide, which would be very helpful. And click Launch Wi-Fi Master Key. Now we need to do two things. First, enable your WLAN settings if it's not on. Second, press Wi-Fi key search. Scanning for nearby Wi-Fi hotspots. This may take a while and a bit of data. So now we have the results. Shared free hotspots are indicated by the blue key next to it. Let's click on the key. The app will then help you connect to these shared hotspots with access retrieved from the cloud database. You won't need to enter any passwords and everything is encrypted to ensure the connection is secure. Now let's switch off your mobile data. Good, it's connected. Now enjoy your surfing!